Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. It says you've been having trouble stating the hypothesis in this section. You understand the equation part, but struggle to formulate them into actual sentence. For example, one question 8 asks to state the null hypothesis in word, and I keep getting it wrong. So state this in words, and I guess you include the words down here. Well, the one thing about the null hypothesis, you should know it's always a statement about equality. In this textbook, always a statement about equality. And so from that, I can immediately tell it's either A or C because they're about equality. B here says is less than, is greater than. So I can immediately eliminate B and D because they're not equality. Here they say the completion rate is 0.393. Completion rate is 0.393. So it's immediately it's A or C because the null hypothesis is always a statement about equality, and A and C are equality. They got is there. So the particulars though, for students who first enroll in 2-year public institutions in a recent semester, the portion who earned a bachelor's degree within 6 years was. So we're talking about a 2-year public institution. The president of a certain junior college believes that the proportion of students who enroll in her institution have a higher completion rate. And so that we're talking about the junior college here. So among the students who enroll at a certain junior college, the completion rate is, and so I believe it's going to be A. Hope that helps.